So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're gonna click on our computer name one time, which will now highlight it. Now you wanna click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And now after you've done that, we're now gonna expand audio inputs and outputs. And if you could see your headphones or your speakers right here, then you want to right click on it and then click on disable device. And then click on yes. And then once that's been disabled, we're now going to right click on it and then click on enable device, which is now going to enable your device. See if that works for you. For the second method, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. And now we're going to click on select a sound output. Make sure that your correct output device has been selected. Now we're going to go back. Make sure that this is not muted and that you have this turned up. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, again, make sure that your speakers or your headphones have not been muted and that you have this turned up. Also make sure that the application that you want to use has also not been muted and that you have it turned up as well. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Now once we're here, you just want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the automated diagnostics. You just want to go through all these steps that come up here. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. And now you want to find your headphones or your speakers. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, then we're going to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to install the driver which you think is most compatible with your headphones. For me, it's going to be this one right here. And then click on next. Make sure that your drivers are fully up to date. See if that works for you. Now, if that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to find your speakers or your headphones. You want to right click on it and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. And then once that's been uninstalled, we're just going to restart a computer. Once you come back into Windows, Windows will automatically install your headphones again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.